I'm making this video here to tell you about the product Glucoflow. Glucoflow is a product that is making a greater success. And taking advantage, I already want to leave you a very important alert about it. As it is being very successful, have many people taking advantage of his fame to his falsifying and selling on other sites that is not the official site. And this is something very serious, and that you need to pay close attention to not end up harming your health. To help you, I will leave here in the video description the official website of Glucoflow for you to access safely. Glucoflow is a totally natural product. It will not cause any side effects to your health. Because it is natural, you will also not need medical prescription to is using it. Glucoflow is approved by GMP and FDA, has been tested, validated, and has a proven efficacy. In addition, there are many people having results with it, including famous ones who used and recommend, because Glucoflow works a lot. Some of the benefits that Glucoflow will bring you are: control and maintain healthy blood sugar levels, assists in weight loss, improves heart health, helps you sleep better, gives you more energy for your day-to-day, and eliminates all problems caused by diabetes. And in its formula has a combination of selected ingredients that work by controlling the levels of sugar in your blood. How? Alpha acid lipoic, which reduces blood sugar levels, controls diabetes, and controls weight. Magnesium. The Gymnema sylvestra that assists in slimming and reduces the desire for sugar. Ginkgo biloba. Cinnamon extract that decreases glucose levels. The chromium picolinate that is essential for those suffering from diabetes. And many other natural products that will bring you all the benefits I just mentioned. No other product has this formula that Glucoflow has. And that is why it is so effective and brings results in such a short time. However, for you to have a good result, you need to use Glucoflow in the correct way and do all the right treatment. And the correct way is you take 1 capsule of it a day, every day, and without interruptions. And you also need to do a treatment for at least 3 months of use to get a satisfactory result. Something very important is that Glucoflow has a guarantee, that is, you can test, and if, for some reason, it does not work for you, the owner of Glucoflow returns all your money, so you are not at any risk. And if you want to make use of Glucoflow, can do without fear, because I'm sure you will have a satisfactory result with it. Just be careful on the site so you don't end up harming your health, because this is something very serious. I will leave here in the video description the official website of Glucoflow to is helping you even more. I hope I helped you with that information. A hug.